In this video, we'll take a look at how easy it is for publishers to go into Brightspot and make their own content types according to whatever requirements they have. Let's say I'm an editor. After my organization sets me up with Brightspot, I see the article content type, which includes a number of fields that make sense for general articles. However, I want a simpler, more curated interface for my team, which right now is largely comprised of freelancers. What I want is a content type called story, but it doesn't exist, so I'll just make it. The story should have a required, unique title, but I don't want it to be too long, so I'm going to enforce a maximum character count of 100. Since visual content performs really well, I want each story to have a lead image. So I will add a required reference field underneath the title that I just made and call it lead image. This way, my freelancers can supply the photos for their own stories. Finally, in this simple story content type, I need to give my freelancers a way to write stories, so I will add a rich text field called body. I have many options here as far as what tools I want my freelancers to have. Since I want them to have full freedom in content creation, I will give them the large rich text editor toolbar. Now that my story content type is looking good, I will save, and the story option is now instantly available in Brightspot. All of the fields I selected for the story content type are included, and my freelancers are now set to start drafting content for my organization. What happens if my requirements change and I need to modify the content type? Well, I'll do just that. Let's say I want to keep better track of the stories that are written internally. I can add another text field and name an internal name. Now, either my freelancers or myself or other editors can come in and add an internal name to the story for easy reference in the future.